Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop, if you have access to your physical keyboard, you can press the combination of Ctrl, Windows and O buttons. If you press 3 of these buttons at the same time, you will turn on the on-screen magnifier, the on-screen keyboard. And this keyboard can be adjusted. We can move it along the screen. We can resize it. We can reshape it by dragging its sides and corners. It has a numpad. It has a regular keyboard. And if you do not have access to your physical keyboard, you can open the same keyboard by going to the Start menu, then Settings, then Accessibility on the sidebar. Then scroll down to Interaction. Here you'll find Keyboard. Open the Keyboard section and switch the toggle to the right next to On-Screen Keyboard. And this will turn on the same keyboard. However, there is a second option. If you don't want to go to your device's settings each time you want to enable the on-screen keyboard, we can use the alternative by going to Personalization on the sidebar and scrolling down to Taskbar. Find the touch keyboard feature in here and change the value next to it from when no keyboard attached to always. And this will enable the touch keyboard on your taskbar. And now every time you click on this keyboard icon, it will enable an on-screen keyboard that is fully usable. We cannot resize it or reshape it, but we can use it pretty much in the very same way. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.